Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while because during quarantine life happens, but finally I'm back with bunch of stuff that I really need to share with you. So this is gonna be a more of an informal setup. I don't have a script or anything, no teleprompter, just camera, mic, and some random lights that I put around. You can also see the different setup. So I think this will be a more an informal talk that I really need to share my opinion on this particular device. So without further ado, let's get started with Google Stadia Premier Edition, my initial, or rather the review itself, coming up. If you don't know what Google Stadia is, it's a game streaming service, meaning the game will be installed and also played in Google's servers, and the video stream will be streamed back to your device like a phone or a tablet or even Chromecast, and the controls, like the buttons you play from this controller. Oh, this is the PlayStation 5 control, by the way, meaning I have my PlayStation 5 sitting right here. So if you need to know more about my PlayStation 5 or my review, make sure that you hit the red big subscribe button down below. So the controls will be sent to Google servers and hence the game is played. But that's how it is. And Google have the Stadia service and Nvidia has their Shield. And I have no idea what the other manufacturers or the services are. So if you already know more, let me know in the comment section below. So let's get this thing out of the box. Well, I already unboxed this, so there are no plastic wrapping. So first you have the controller itself. It's very similar, or rather the aesthetic is very similar to the PlayStation 5 control. The button placement is XYAB, meaning it's following the Xbox pattern, but the rest of the joysticks are in the same place. There is the PlayStation button and also the Stadia button, and I'm not here to talk about the PlayStation control, that's for a different video. But this one, it feels really good and it's white, almost like grayish color, and the haptics, the vibration is really good. Maybe not as great as the PlayStation 5 controller, maybe around PlayStation 4 dual shock controller. And then you have the cable, which is USB-A to USB-C, and the most important thing in 2020 is the charging brick, because some companies don't really ship this thing. This is very valuable. So yeah, so you get this one, and inside this box or package you have the documentation, which what we do with this. And the most important thing, or one of the important things, is this guy. So this is the Google Chromecast Ultra. So this you can plug into a TV or a monitor, which has an HDMI input, and you also get another wall adapter for the Chromecast. And if you really need to plug an Ethernet connection, you already have that here. And yeah, that's pretty much it inside the box. So let's get this thing set up. First of all, you need to install Stadia app. Well, let me first record my screen of the phone, otherwise you can't really see it. Record. You need the Stadia app. It's free on Google Play Store. You can download it. I'm not quite sure if it's there on the Apple Store. I don't know. Maybe they don't support Apple. I never tried this. So then you have to go to this controller section and then pair the controller with the phone. So first I will connect controller. I will turn this on by pressing and holding. All the boring stuff. I mean, it will be much easier if you read this, but Stadia controller. Next, it's not blinking orange, it's blinking white. It's press OK. Now it asks us to press these buttons. So I click on this one. It's already paired anyway because I used this already. Otherwise, you can press this up, Y, A, and right. Then it will automatically sync with your phone. Now it's linked, as you can see. Then if you click on this, you need to set up the Chromecast came along with this. So to do that, you have to plug this into the TV. I mean, this is my PlayStation view because I just want to show off that I have PlayStation 5 because many people don't have it because of out of stock. So I will plug this into the HDMI input and I will be back in a while. So I plugged it in. Let me switch the input to HDMI 1 because that's where my Chromecast is set up. I'm not quite sure if it already picked up. Yes, it picked up. And now I need to add the controller in the Stadia app. So we can do that by clicking on this icon and add account to Chromecast. But as you can see, it's already properly set up because I already had set up my Chromecast. So I need to press this button on my controller. So it's A, X, down, A. I think it's already set up, but let me try to play. Yes, so it's, I don't know, maybe it's already set up that I didn't know. So as you can see, it's loading Stadia. This game I'm playing Hitman, World of Assassination, meaning it's already there for PlayStation 4, already there for PlayStation 5. I mean, you can play almost all the PlayStation 4 games in PlayStation 5. So let's see if we can play this on the PlayStation. So it asked me to link the controller, as you can see. Let me show you that. So it says link a controller. I need to press this button on the controller. It's A, X, down, A. And for some reason it's not recognizing this. X, down, A. Okay, so I had to press it again. Maybe for some reason it was not recognizing well. So the idea behind this is first you need to connect the controller into the phone and then Chromecast into your Wi-Fi, and then you have to add the Chromecast to your account, like Stadia account. Then you can directly play the game on your Chromecast. So I press A to play. So now it's already started. So no, I don't need an account for the moment. So let's say I go to the story mode, I go to prologue, guided training. So this is the game, and let me give more space to the TV. So the idea behind this is this game is not installed on any of the devices, like not on my phone, not on my Chromecast. It's there in Google's servers. So they have to stream it up to my device, meaning that you should have a really great, like a really good internet connection. I have 100 Mbps internet connection. Sometimes it complains that I don't have a good internet connection. So now we are in the game. Let me show you the smoothness of the game. So I will just take a look around. Now you can see there is a bit of stuttering and there are some glitches, meaning my internet connection really cannot handle the rendering, like the 4K rendering of this game. So meaning this might stutter. My playing experience will be affected. So if I click on the Stadia button, I can still see my status of my connection. It is 4K, it has HDR, it also has 5.1 surround sounds. So I still can hear the 5.1 sounds. By the way, I have a JBL 9.1 here. The review is coming up. If you want to see the review, you already know what to do. But about the Stadia, it says it's enough. But as you can see, there is quite a stuttering. See, there are some glitches. So if you are a competitive gamer, I don't know, maybe you play Call of Duty, whatever the game, and if you play for some reason Fortnite, maybe this Stadia system is not for you because it really needs a fast connection. I have a 100 Mbps internet connection, which is not the best in the world, but also not the worst that I've ever used. This is okay. I can easily stream 4K Netflix content without any problem. But this is not just streaming the video, right? It has to send signals from your controller through your Wi-Fi to their servers and get these responses back. So it's a bit tricky. You need a faster connection to do this. So if you don't have a fast internet connection, just don't even think about buying this one. Let me show what are the other games available. So if you open the app on Stadia, you can see there are different sections. There is a store section. So first of all, I will show you my subscription. It's Stadia Pro, 10 euros per month. So if I go to the Stadia Pro games to see all, so these are the games that I can play with Stadia Pro. So Stadia Pro is a subscription just like PlayStation Plus, meaning you have to pay a monthly fee to play these games. If you don't have Stadia Pro, then you have to buy these games separately. And also you get some offers on other games as well. If you go here, Stadia Pro deals, then you will see other games such as Assassin's Creed Odyssey. It's 70 euros, but you can get it for 15. And there is Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Stadia Season Pass. There is Far Cry. There is Far Cry 5, New Dawn. There are a lot of games here. But still, remember, you have to buy these. And also, there are many other games you can actually buy in this all game section. These are more like non-pro game. That means it doesn't come with your subscription, nor you will get any deals. So these games, for example, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, if that's how it's called, it's 70 euros. There are a bunch of other games as well, like Dead by Daylight. That's a free game for that Stadia Pro. There is Destiny 2. There is around 100 or 100 plus games here. Maybe not as much as PlayStation games, but in here there are quite good games. But remember, you have to buy these games. So, is it worth it? Well, for the controller and the Chromecast, you have to pay around 100 euros. But these days, I got it for a deal because I have YouTube Premium. Because I hate YouTube ads. Maybe we share the same feeling about YouTube ads now. So there was a deal. If you have YouTube Premium, they give you the controller and the Chromecast for free. I mean, it's not actually free because you are paying for YouTube anyway. But I got it because it says it's free. So why not? I just wanted to give it a try. I already have my PlayStation 5. But I just wanted to give it a try because there was a really hype around the Google Stadia system. And I never had the chance to try it out. I thought maybe this is the time. So I got the controller and the Chromecast for free. Then because I have Google One, they have another offer for 3 months free Google Stadia Pro subscription, which I already have. But I'm not quite sure if I will use the entire 3 months because, I don't really think this is a really good gaming platform, at least for the moment. So if you have these conditions, maybe give it a try. You can get this one and try it out by yourself and then see it yourself if what I'm saying is true. So what do I think? Should you buy or anyone should buy Google Stadia? The short answer is no. So the long answer, hold my beer. For the controller and the Chromecast, you have to pay around 100 euros. If there are no other offers. There are some offers like you can get it for 60 or 70 euros and maybe for 30, but the normal price is 100 euros. And you have to pay Stadia Pro subscription 10 euros per month if you want to get these benefits and the free games that it offers. Anyway, you have to buy the other games such as this Assassin's Creed new game that you still have to buy because it's not included in the Pro subscription. So 100 euros for the controller and the system, the subscription, and also buy games. But you also need a really good, really fast internet connection. And if you can see, there is quite a lot of considerable amount of input lag. You can see that, right? So meaning if you are playing really like competitive games, I don't know, Call of Duty or for some reason Fortnite, maybe this is not the one for you. Consider getting maybe a PlayStation or at least like a gaming PC because that will be much cheaper then. So if you are a casual gamer, maybe this works. If you want to travel somewhere, you don't have to carry your PlayStation. You just need to get the controller, Chromecast, plug it in and have a good connection. Then you can play. But I don't see that happening any soon because of the situation around the world. So if you are staying home, maybe go for a proper gaming device. I know, this is the future of gaming. So yeah, just go ahead, pause this video, write that comment like you don't know that because this is the future of the gaming and whatnot. Go ahead by all means. I would still like to hear what you are saying. We still love you. It's fine. But hear me out for a second. Yes, this is the future of gaming, but for the moment, at this point, it's still not matured enough. Maybe in a few years, couple of years, this will have a faster internet connections in your house. Maybe this has a bigger gaming library. Then yes, makes sense. Then you don't have to pay hundreds of euros to buy the games. You can just enjoy with one subscription, play all the games, or the game prices are down. Then you can really enjoy gaming. But there is no point if you have to play hundreds of euros and then still don't have the game with you and no returns or anything. So for the moment, I don't think it's the best choice. So if somebody asks me, hey Praneeth, I need to buy, or I'm thinking of buying Google Stadia, what do you think? No, don't do that. Save the money, go for a proper gaming device. Maybe a console or a gaming PC. That's it. That's it. So I will put this back into the box and put it on my shelf, or maybe give it to someone else. So that's been it. I hope you liked it. If you didn't like it, you already know what to do. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because I really need subscriptions. I think that I need like 40 more subscribers to hit the 1,000 mark. Yes, I've been making videos for a long time, but people don't really subscribe for some reason. But I would really like to have the new year, the better year, to start with 1,000 subscribers. So help me out. Stay home, stay safe. I will catch you in the next one. Yeah, bye. Wait. Not yet. I just said that I will not be using this, right? So I just will give it to someone else. So, do you need it? Well, that's simple. So all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like, hit on the bell notification, and let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the Google Stadia system or any game streaming solution. So do you already have one, or are you thinking of buying one? If you already have, what's your experience? Or you don't like my man bun, or I suck? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Then you will be eligible to get or win this Google Stadia Premier Edition for free, like really free. So maybe beginning of next year, I will select a random subscriber from my channel who already have commented on this video and give it for free and ship it to your doorstep. So good luck. Yeah, subscribe. Subscribe. Bye.